Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari Roma versus California T full comparison. Follow along as we break down exterior styling, cabin comfort, engine character, and ownership costs in simple terms so you can decide which car fits your driving life and budget without getting lost in specs or fan opinion. We'll explore how each car presents itself on the street and behind the wheel, focusing on materials, seating position, and cabin flow to see which suits long drives or city runs. I'll point out visibility, infotainment clarity, and storage practicalities, and mention how roof types change luggage space and overall comfort so you can picture real ownership. If this comparison is helping you decide, hit subscribe and like so you don't miss future car guides and ownership tips. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, which are surprisingly useful for fueling long drives and track days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here we assess acceleration, mid-range power, and driver engagement to highlight how each model performs in real settings, not just on paper. I'll compare steering weight, ride compliance, and how each transmission responds during spirited runs or relaxed cruising, helping you understand which car matches a preference for crisp handling or comfortable grand touring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.